What's going on, tiny boaters? Check this out real quick. Doing a giveaway. I wanted to reiterate real quickly what some of these things are. These are bow shields. So for anybody who has a glass boat, these are wonderful to have. You can see right there in the picture. That's a pretty soft spot right there. And I know we always hope for like an easy dock in, but then in the event of waves or anything throwing you off, or just the front, even anywhere hitting the trailer, that glass is going to crack or scratch, and there goes down the value. So these things are worth their weight in gold. Very easy to apply. These are all DIY products, meaning you can get them, you can put them on very nicely. If I had a glass boat, I would show you how easy, but let me just tell you, it's fairly easy. Comes with a glue kit there, in the bend there. You can bend it to will and fit it on there, and that's going to save the front of your boat from any sort of trailer damage during launching and recovery. Next one, I'm going to demonstrate this for you right now. This one's going away to a young gentleman who won the giveaway, along with that gentleman who won that giveaway. This one we're going to install in my truck. We're going to install the black one because it matches everything I got on the truck. Let's go do it. All right, so we have said product. Thing's pretty simple. Self-explanatory, 2 steps. All right, now it's wave flusher. Okay. So it like fits, the grooves are in the side of it, fit right around the hitch. So now it's like legit on the hitch. Yeah, that's better. Like I'm actively trying to kick it, but if I wasn't actively trying to kick it, I mean, I would. It's pretty good. I have scars on my shins from kicking. It's gonna flex with, any sort of movement up and down a hill. It's super nice. Hey guys, so that footage was shot a long time ago. Since then, I've had that thing on both of my trucks. Would you believe, with a truck being high and cars being low, that I actually backed into a car? The guy was super pissed, the lady was super pissed, but you know what saved it? That shield. Hit their bumper, and it deflected any sort of scratch that the actual ball hitch. The ball hitch would have screwed their bumper up pretty bad, but because they looked and there was no damage, no dents, no nothing. They looked, I mean, what were they gonna do? They were pissed at me, but they ultimately did not try to pursue the cops there or pursue any sort of insurance. There was nothing to pursue. They kind of just let it go. They just kind of gave me the finger and left. That is even more invaluable than saving me from getting further scars on my shins from waking up in the morning when I'm like too tired to pay attention. And I don't know, that's all the times I've really messed up my shins, on the hitch is when I'm up at 4 in the morning. And that's what we all do to get the bass. To get the early ones, the early bird gets the fish, right? Invaluable product for the money, genius. And that's what Gator Guard does. And they just launched this stuff. I just saw it right now. They launched some sort of paint, some sort of Gator shield. I'm going to be checking that stuff out. Check them out. Subscribe to Gator Guards. The link is down in the description below, and you can search in the YouTube search engine. Subscribe to their stuff because they have a lot of cool stuff. Their kill shield, a lot of stuff that I can't demo because I'm just mainly doing tin boats. I got a lot of stuff for glass boats. That's phenomenal. Phenomenal company. Love working with them. Check us out. The link for this product is also in the description below and on my Amazon store as well. Thank you.